Hey guys, welcome back to my Bank Nifty video. We're looking at the hourly chart. And in my previous video, I mentioned that 900 being resistance, and it continues to be resistance. If Bank Nifty would like any chance of going any higher than that, it needs to get above this support level white line emanating from the support of 36,300. Okay, today, right? If it gets above the 900 level, we have a resistance at 38,000. Okay, and successfully crossing that resistance will take it towards 600 and 39,000 levels, plus 39,000 levels, making it a new high. All right, in in the recent history I'm talking about, not all-time new highs. All right, guys, so the main level to watch out is 900, and currently we are trading around the 600 level support. The first support is around 600, followed by the second support around 500. If the 500 support breaks either today or Monday, excuse me, we're looking at a support of around 150, 37,150 for Monday. Okay, guys, so let's see what happens with the US markets tonight, with the week closing today, last trade of the week, and that will decide our open on Monday. So the crucial levels to watch are 900 for resistance and 150, 37,150 for support. That seems to be like the range for Monday as well. I'm expecting the market to maybe test the 900 again. If not today, then Monday. And then we'll take it from there. All right, guys, good luck. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.